Welcome to Royal Enfield Himalayan. Do-it-yourself clutch cable replacement. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Loosen and remove clutch cable outer lock nut at the rear of the clutch cable bracket on cover RH. Loosen the inner lock nut fully such that the threaded portion of the clutch cable can be pushed in completely into the cable bracket. Release the inner cable lock from the clevis in the clutch activating arm. Remove the rubber grommet from the clutch cable. Remove the outer lock nut from the clutch cable. Pull out the clutch cable from the front end of the bracket. Disconnect the wire tag, 2 numbers. Remove the clutch cable outer from the bracket on handlebar. Align the inner cable against the clutch lever and remove the inner cable. Remove the entire damaged cable from the motorcycle. Route the new cable through the T-stem hole and the RH side mounting hole in the frame. Align the inner cable against the slit in the hand lever and rotate such that the inner cable is locked in the hand lever. Locate the outer cable in the clutch lever bracket at the handlebar end. Ensure the clutch cable is routed properly through the bracket in the frame. Ensure the inner cable is located properly in the clutch lever and the outer cable is located in the LH bracket in hand lever. Position the inner cable into the clutch bracket on cover RH and push in the threaded adjuster till the inner lock nut is resting on the bracket. Insert the outer lock nut through the inner cable and thread it into the adjuster by 3 or 4 turns. Insert the larger end of the rubber grommet on the inner cable and position it on the adjuster. Locate the inner cable on the clutch activating arm such that it locks in the lever clevis. Gently pull the cable adjuster out of the bracket as far as possible and turn the inner lock nut using 10 mm spanner till it rests against the bracket. Ensure there is a minimum of 2 to 3 mm free play at the clutch lever at handlebar end by suitably tightening or loosening the inner lock nut of the cable adjuster. That's it. You have done the clutch cable replacement.